already up. Oh boy.
Did Santa come? Come see. Come see.
Let's go see. Let's go see. Oh, careful.
Let's go look. Did he come?
I wonder if he ate his milk and cookies.
Did Santa eat his cookies? Yeah.
Let's go see if he ate his cookies.
Did he eat his cookies? Let's go look. Did he eat his cookies? Where they at?
Santa ate his cookies.
Did he drink his milk? Open that box. It's all gone. Oh, the milk's all gone.
Oh, Santa drank his milk.
Did Santa bring you some presents? Go put your cup up.
Cookies.
Santa brings presents. Did he bring you some presents? Let's go look under the tree. Look, all his cookies are gone.
Come on, let's go see if he brought some presents.
Come on, let's go see. Did he bring Christmas presents? Hey! Ball. Oh, a slam dunk.
Good job.
Uh-oh. How do we take this off? Alright. Made it. Hey, look, all these presents. Come look.
Whose presents are those? Oh, you have presents.
Alright.
Baseball.
Baseball.
So, Mama, let me see. Can you tell me?
Yeah, that's like Barry Bonds on there. Man, that was fast. Sorry, on the next one.
See, we don't mess around, Daddy. Look. All right.
Is that Grover? It's Grover. That's Grover, not Elmo. No, that's Grover. Grover. Alright, we got some new books to read. Next. Next. Man, that was just the right spot to open it, huh?
They got it down this year.
What is it? Show Daddy. You got another book? Alright. So, we got some new books to read.
Alright.
There's Grover again. Big Bird.
Alright, Danny.
All done. Get the big box.
Show Mama. You want to see the book?
What is it? It's another book? Alright. Show it to Mama. Show. Hey, Mama, look.
All done.
Should I get all the little presents first? Let's get some. We're building it up, Mama.
Look at Mama.
Show Mama.
Smile.
Cheese.
Oh,
No.
you look really excited.
At least she posed that time.